What's up guys, welcome to Methya Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a logo free. In this video I tell you how to create a logo without any cost. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon to get notifications. So let's see the video. First open your web browser and click search bar and search Hatchful, HATCHFUL, and click enter. You can see like this link, Hatchful Shopify. Click this link and you can see like this window. So you can see sign up button right off of this window. Click sign up button and enter your email address in the email text box. I enter my email address, methyaacademy@gmail.com, and you have to create a password for this site. I create a password and click sign up button. They ask to save password. If you like to save, you can click save or click never. I click never. After that, click on get start button. Now you can see like this. This is the first page of this site. In this section we can see the logo we want, which category, like fashion, health and beauty, home and garden, food and drink, sport and recognition, gifts and collectibles, tech, arts, photos, services, games, children, pets, none of the above. Likewise, I click tech because my channel is technology channel. Click tech and click next button. Now we can see like this window. In this section we have to click what requirements you need. Your logo, defaultly they selected bold, creative and modern. I click classic, creative and strong for my logo and click next button. In this section they ask the logo name. I enter logo name Methya Academy, my YouTube channel name, and you can enter slogan. It is optional. If you want, you can enter it and click next button. In this section they ask the requirements you need: online store, website, social media, print and sack, business cards, large surface, physical stores, and none of above. I want my logo for social media, business cards. It is enough. If you want other things, you can click and click next button. Now we can see different kind of logos for your channel or website. In this you can select a logo for your choice. I select now logo. You can see more logos by scroll down. So I select this one. Now you can see like this window. In this window you can change your business name or logo name, and you can change the font, colors of the logo and icon of the logo like this. you can see this change and layouts like this. You can change anything with your choice. I selected this and click next button. Now you can download your logo. When you download this file, you can get logo with more packages like Instagram profile image, Twitter banner, Pinterest profile image, YouTube channel logo. Like guys, I click download logo button. Now you can see a message, all done, your logo package and design files have been sent to mathwayacademy@gmail.com. They sent my logo file to my Gmail account. Now we have to go our Gmail account and search for that. Now I go my Gmail account. Okay, now you can see the email they sent us. Hatchful, your files are already. Okay, download Hatchful export. There is the zip file for our logo. We have to download this. Click download Hatchful export. Now it is downloading. Now I go my downloads. Click downloads. We can see our zip file in download section. Now I extract this zip file. Click extract. Okay, now we can see our logo file. They send us Facebook cover photo 1, Facebook cover photo 2, Facebook profile image, favicon, Instagram profile, LinkedIn banner 2, LinkedIn profile page, logo transparent, Pinterest board, Pinterest profile image, Twitter header, Twitter profile, YouTube profile likewise. So you can create a logo free using this site. Okay, I think you learned more things about my video. I think you share my video with your friends and like my video and comment your problems in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get a notification. See you again with next video. Goodbye.